The information provided by Crypto Daily Sun and this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. Crypto Daily Sun is not a licensed financial advisor or investment professional. The content presented does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. Before making any financial decisions, it is strongly recommended that you seek advice from a qualified financial advisor or investment professional who can provide personalized guidance based on your individual circumstances. Investing in cryptocurrencies and other financial instruments involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and there is no guarantee that any investment strategy will achieve its objectives. Crypto Daily Sun and this channel are not responsible for any losses or damages arising from the use of this information or from any decisions made based on the content provided. Always conduct your own research and consider your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals before making any investment decisions.
Welcome to our deep dive into a crucial aspect of successful cryptocurrency investing: staying informed. In the fast-moving world of digital currencies, keeping up with the latest trends and market conditions is vital for making informed decisions and navigating the ever-changing landscape. In this video, we'll explore why staying updated is so important and how you can effectively do it. Follow market trends. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility and rapid changes. Unlike traditional financial markets, where trends can develop slowly over time, the crypto market can experience significant shifts in a matter of hours or even minutes. This means that to stay ahead, you need to be constantly aware of the latest developments and market trends. How to stay updated? Start by following reputable news sources that cover cryptocurrency. Websites like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and Bloomberg Crypto offer timely updates and in-depth analysis of market movements. These platforms provide valuable insights into market trends, regulatory changes, technological advancements, and other factors that can impact the value of cryptocurrencies. Set alerts and use tools. To keep track of real-time market changes, use tools and apps that offer market alerts and notifications. Platforms like CoinMarketCap, CryptoCompare, and TradingView allow you to set up price alerts and track market trends. By setting up alerts for significant price movements or news updates, you can react quickly to market changes and adjust your investment strategies accordingly. Analyze market data. Regularly review market data and charts to understand trends and patterns. Technical analysis tools can help you identify potential buy or sell opportunities based on historical data and market indicators. However, remember that while technical analysis can provide insights, it's not foolproof and should be combined with other sources of information. Join communities. One of the most valuable ways to stay informed about cryptocurrencies is by engaging with online communities and forums. Cryptocurrency communities are filled with enthusiasts, traders, and experts who share their experiences, insights, and knowledge. By participating in these communities, you can gain a broader perspective on the market and learn from others' experiences. Where to engage? Join forums and discussion groups on platforms like Reddit, particularly subreddits like r/cryptocurrency and r/Bitcoin. These forums offer a wealth of information and discussions on various topics related to cryptocurrencies. Additionally, social media platforms such as Twitter and Facebook host numerous groups and pages dedicated to cryptocurrency discussions. Network with experts. Follow influential figures and industry experts on social media to get their take on market trends and developments. Many cryptocurrency experts share their analyses, predictions, and opinions on platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. Engaging with their content can provide you with valuable insights and help you stay updated on industry trends. Participate in webinars and meetups. Attend online webinars, conferences, and local meetups to hear from industry leaders and network with other cryptocurrency enthusiasts. These events often feature presentations and discussions on current market trends, technological innovations, and investment strategies. Participating in these events can enhance your understanding of the crypto space and provide opportunities to ask questions and network with experts. Stay skeptical and verify information. While staying informed is essential, it's also important to approach information critically. The cryptocurrency space can be rife with misinformation and hype. Always verify the accuracy of the information you come across and cross-reference it with multiple sources. Be cautious of sensationalist headlines and unverified claims, and rely on reputable sources and expert analyses. Continuously update your knowledge. The cryptocurrency market is dynamic, with new developments occurring frequently. Make it a habit to regularly update your knowledge and adapt to new information. Whether it's changes in technology, regulatory updates, or market trends, staying informed will help you make better investment decisions and navigate the complexities of the crypto world. In summary, staying informed about market trends and participating in cryptocurrency communities are key strategies for successful investing. By following reputable news sources, using market tools, engaging with online communities, and verifying information, you can enhance your understanding of the crypto market and make more informed decisions. Remember, in the world of cryptocurrency, knowledge is power.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the rest of my channel for more great content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next video.